warned you, Papilo. I warned you.
Nelson, brotherly, I'm gonna drop your gun.
No. If we leave her, she will talk.
Eseosa. Eseosa! Eh? What you do for here now? Don't be happy for casting me in the go house. What you carry your 2 legs come back and come to?
Give me charger. Wait for my phone, my charger.
Brotherly. Man them. Let me give me 2 seconds and sort this matter out.
You know they go anywhere. Is it that we'll settle this thing just now? Or somebody go off?
Nelson, why your blood to the heart? Eh? Why your blood to the heart? You never get the sister and I see sister? Eh?
ST. ST there our group again. She not there. You don't forget say she not agree cooperate the last time. You forget.
STB, they tell una group.
You still dey talk.
Nelson. It's okay. Put down your gun. Put down your gun, Nelson. Papilo! Take your girlfriend out of here and put some sense into her!
Stand up, Joe. Stand up. They go up. If anything, stop after this one. I'm gonna let you calm down. I can go up, Joe. Huh? What was for people on the day before they born you? We go up, Joe. Come, what's your problem? Eh? You won't cause problem with me and my guys. Eh? Yes! If I hear pin from your mouth, if I hear one word from your mouth.
Pin for waiting, I don't know anything, I don't know anybody.
See, because you stay here, you don't go put yourself inside big castle like this, so. My guys don't go let you go because you don't know what they do.
I don't know anything, I just collect charger.
Just go collect charger, you know what you know anything. I'll go follow you and talk, my side they go even let you go. Eh? You can't nonsense now. I'll put you inside cab, make you go. You carry yourself, come back.
Eseosa. Which kind of fake love? Which kind of problem with this one we don't put yourself now? Eh?
Yes?
Which one be yes? You don't know me again.
I know you, but you don't come out now.
I be open gate for me. What did they walk you? You don't see when I come out just now.
You go wait, may I go tell Oga say you
You don't see when I come out for your girls just now. I be open the gate. Not be none I come out. This kind of trouble, Eseosa, you don't go put yourself inside. Eh? I for just go as je. Why I come back for the charger and I don't know. Hey.
Mobro, where they go? Eh?
Where else are they go? And they go fix your problem when you bring come.
You won't go kill him. No, tell me now. You won't kill him?
Guys,
Eh?
You guys should calm down.
calm down for where now? This nigga big problem come for us and we need to fix him.
And Nelson, killing her won't solve our problems.
Tell him. Every time is hot head.
Oh my guy, you've messed up. You fast. You know some get operation this evening now. You carry this body. Come this
Follow me, I don't know. I was not to the war on the thing. I don't get idea. When I hear like this, I don't get any single idea.
Even though.
Guy,
Come on now.
guys, let's understand that we have a very serious problem in our hands. If that girl say one thing to the wrong person, we all agree.
We don't go.
Oh, she don't go talk. She don't go talk anything. When I hear like this now, eh? What did she see? What did she want to talk? Nobody got she see.
Go on, straw now.
Yeah, when I not forget, see, that girl, that's still sister. I still know you. I still know you. And Baba, I still know you. It's not in me and you, they do.
Omo, you know me.
Even still, don't forget, that ST was part of our dealings.
No, man.
She's a proper criminal. She cannot say Queen, but her sister, we don't know her at all. If that girl say one thing now, you pick us up.
You know they use your head. Oh, go, bro.
You screw up, Papilo. You mess up. I warned you.
Even the young person. They don't want to kill me. I don't use my life to make it. Oh, yes, I know bad. Hey, Akanchawa Baddie. I want to escape from this place now. I don't even know where they don't know how to take going. Hey, I never even stay lucky 4 hours. Now your problem from one trouble to the other, from fire to fry pan. She can't, I won't go and see us. I don't do it again. Hey.
Guys, security has been very tight in this area. With the way things are, it is going to be very difficult for us to penetrate Chief's house. What do we do, guys?
But wait, I just say we agree say we go drug the security man. Yeah? No be your friend. Yeah?
My friend. Well, bad news, oh. Bad news.
Can't bad news gonna be that one now.
That's my friend, will be security guard. They don't fire him.
You say what?
They don't fire the nigga.
You know that's the only chance we have to get that dojo. Before Chief relocates that money.
Guys, so what do we do now? We need a plan. What do we do? What are you doing here, you this girl? Is it that you don't listen to simple command?
I beg, I take what you beg. I don't see anything. I beg, may you go as I beg.
Eseosa.
Now you know they help me beg. She's made beg for my life. I beg.
You will go inside now. I said, make go inside.
Apilo. Now you. I leave her for your hand like this.
Brothers, since the security guy has been fired, what do we do? I need ideas. What do we do?
Well, I got an information that Chief is throwing a party at his house. But strictly baby females. Oh. So what do you think?
Papi, Alpha, what about ST now?
ST. She's not one of us again now. This one going out so him pursue me come out. It's not a part of us again. She don't devil, you only leave voice, you only left come out. Yeah?
Don't cast.
You don't cast, you don't go.
Guys, with the way this situation is, now ST now get that vibe way for fit penetrate Chief house. Eh? How go they run?
Wait. How about we use this girl?
What girl?
Which other girl did inside this house? Eseosa.
What is that your name again? Akanchawa Baddie, right? You could leave this place without any issues.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Listen to her condition first.
Condition?
Yes, condition.
Yes.
You get everything ST they do for us before she stop. We would like me to continue from where she stopped.
What thing ST they do for me?
Yeah? Eseosa, no time make you leave that place.
If they shout for me as it's not my fault. It's not my fault now. I just want to see Lucky.
Shebi you don't see lucky now. How far now? When they cover for your head?
Calm down now. Papilo say you dey then you do something.
I beg you. Anything we concern Papilo with the gang, I no want do again. I don't wash my hand come out.
They say they no go let me come out if I don't do what they want.
Eseosa, I don't tell you. Those guys no be good guys. I don't tell you, but you no go hear word.
Wetin I go come do now? Wetin I go do?
As you don't enter that trap now, you no go free leave. Oh. You guys do what you want to do for them. You know easy for me to free myself now. Once you start, you don't start. Use your HQ.
Oh,
Guys, are we good to go?
I'm good to go, Baba.
No time, no time.
Pass me on one there. Oh, oh boy. No go sure. You reach my balls.
How do they dress like woman?
I tell you no day alone, abi. Now we be your backing.
Oshé,
You wine?
It be like say this cloth no size me. It's too tight.
Guy. Now because of say you get hair for chest, that's why we don't give you food.
Don't make me bring my bitch outside.
I beg. You don't do. Move the go. The party dey start by 10 now.
We carry the gate to
Yes, girl.
I got you guys covered now.
We go, darling. Let's go.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oshé.
Oh my god.
Eseosa. See, me take God beg you. Make you no F up. I take God beg you big time. No F up.
If you do wetin we dey ask you to do well and successful, see the hair, the clothes and the shoe, they go become yours, free of charge, with no issues.
I beg, I hope say nobody, nothing go do me. I no go die. I never born, I never even married, I never even go banana.
Eseosa, She don't promise you say men mad. Men mad for your matter.
No more.
But don't forget what me tell you. May you shine your eye for where you go so. May you shine your eye whether.
But wait, what's they worry you? Why you dey waste our time now?
You can't just let's stop with that one now. But see they fear, no take it easy with them.
Come let's bring that rubbish come here just now. Not bring them, not try them. Because of you now. Now how we get this problem?
Let's see. I don't want you. You just be the first time you feel me talk like this. So. You say Eseosa no dey, if you go shift fast. If she no dey, if you go shift fast.
That one concern you. But what you concern me, and I say if she fuck this plan up, I go really break that neck.
I deal with you.
I beg, I need to. I won't go house. I beg. Uber don't do it. I won't go house. I beg.
Eseosa. Maybe be Akanchawa Baddie. You don't come make you the fear. What you want make you fear?
See, if you carry out this operation successfully, you go become our member. And you know say when you don't become our member, things go dey flow for you. You go dey cash out 247. You sef, reason am now. Go favor you.
Okay, I go to.
You get
Now
choice
you are
before.
talking.
Sure, it's not the luxury for your side.
Guys, it is time. Let's do this.
Are you on the list?
Huh?
Were you invited to this party? If you weren't invited to this party, leave now.
I want to see Chief.
Are you on the list?
I said I want to see Chief. Now you be Chief. You be Chief.
You know his room, right? Hey, come here. Mind you, if he finds out that you're not invited to this party, he will kick you out. Hmm?
Are you Mandy?
Mandy. Yeah. Yes,
Well.
I'm Mandy.
My princess says she's sending a replacement. I don't know you're going. Come. I don't know you're going to be this beautiful. Wow. Good to see you.
Thank you, Chief.
Wow.
don't enter.
Sis, nah. Eh? You don't know when she enter.
Eh.
You see this girl, I don't trust her. I don't trust say she fit deliver.
Aji.
Make she no go fuck this thing up for us.
Aji. Omo, she knows better than to spoil our business. Oh. She knows better.
But wait, you sure say this money dey inside this house? Hope say chief never go carry and go come up for here. Go relocate am to somewhere else.
What is the work next now? Listen, me,
They talk.
confirmation is a must. This money lap this house. Money dey, see, it show me die. The money dey one second room for that corner. See, no forget, this money na dollar, so what dollar fonts now?
Make this plan work, I beg.
Wait. No be police officers dey patrol around that place.
Not true.
Oh. Now, you know, na normal now. Chief, they get all this police patrol. They don't say they go inside and that's within the axis.
You dey Chris? Why you not tell us this now?
Tell you now, waiting.
Tell us about the police.
No fit talk. You know say they fit spoil things for us.
No, nah. This police no get anything on us. Now just normal baby police. See, we go breeze in, breeze out. This time money, we sure die. We go Bob Clinton. Sure they whine me.
Okay, guys. We go just position, they observe. As soon as Eseosa just give us sign like this, we'll just breeze in. More just be on guard, more the watch. Nothing spoil, We're good to go.
We'll just stick to the plan.
Hello, Papilo. I don't do everything you see me do. I beg. I think go ask now. I won't be there aside.
If you enter the house now, both you check at least say everything they said.
Okay, they come.
Money when you make a move, then go query. If you the pass it, then go cherry. Your money biggie plenty, no be carry. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you the pass it, then go cherry. Your money biggie plenty, no be carry. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow, Akanchawa Baddie blow. money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head. Chasing the money every day. Blow, Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, way. You have to blow. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly Osu money sweet.